Julia. Julia. Where's Jack? Hey, Julia. Where's Jack? Where did Jack go? Where is Jack? Yeah, I don't either. Do you see her? Let's call her Jack. Say Jack. Ugh, no. Where's Jack? I don't know. Do you see her? There she is. Good job. You found her. She's saying hey. She's very happy to see you. Okay, that's good. Stop. Hey. Get your juice. Juice.